Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 9th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 9th August in 1925, revolutionaries associated with the Hindustan Republican Association looted the British treasury at Kakori, about 16 km from Lucknow. There was around 8,000 in the treasury being carried by train. It was to be used to give the edge of the freedom fight. In the same month, 2 dozen members of the associations were arrested. So this is the history of the day. Now moving toward the current affairs part. So let's see the current affair questions. So the first question is, which country withdrew financial support from Pakistan after OIC was threatened by Pakistan? किस देश ने आईओसी को पाकिस्तान को देने के बाद पाकिस्तान से वित्तीय सहायता वापस ली है? एंड द आंसर इज सऊदी अरेबिया. द पाकिस्तान हैड टेकन लोन फ्रॉम सऊदी अरेबिया सराउंडेड बाय इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस. Saudi withdraw its financial support due to the Pakistan's recent behavior towards other countries. Now the second question is, which country has decided to build a memorial for the Indian soldiers who were martyred in 1971 freedom struggle? 1971 के मुक्ति संग्राम में शहीद हुए भारतीय सैनिकों के लिए किस देश ने स्मारक बनाने का फैसला किया है? सो द आंसर इज बांग्लादेश. एंड लेट मी टेल यू द मेमोरियल विल कंसाइंड with the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation. Now let's see the third question. So who is the author of the book Amazing Ayodhya? अद्भुत अयोध्या पुस्तक के लेखक कौन है? If you know the answers, please to tell in the comment section. And let me tell you that the author is Prabhat Pandey, and the book provide authentic information about the city, which will not only help in understanding the life and times of ancient Hindus, but will also reveal the reserved figures of Rama and Sita. Now the fourth question is, India will participate in the military exercise Kavakaz 2020 organized by which country? भारत किस देश द्वारा आयोजित सैन्य अभ्यास काविज 2020 में भाग लेगा? एंड द आंसर इज Russia. Russia has organized this, and the invitation to participate in Kavakaz 2020 has been expanded to at least 18 countries including China, Iran, Pakistan and Turkey, in addition to the other Central Asian Republic of the SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Now the fifth question is, with which state will the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the submarine optical fiber cable connecting Port Blair and other places in Andaman and Nicobar? प्रधानमंत्री मोदी पोर्ट ब्लेयर और अंडमान और निकोबार के अन्य स्थानों को जोड़ने वाली पनडुब्बी निकर्षक फाइबर केबल का उद्घाटन किस राज्य के साथ करेंगे? सो द आंसर इज तमिलनाडु's कैपिटल चेन्नई, एंड दिस कनेक्टिविटी विल इनेबल द डिलीवरी ऑफ फास्टर एंड मोर रिलायबल मोबाइल एंड लैंडलाइन टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सर्विसेज टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया एज वेल एज अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, which country's government has decided to issue a commemorative coin to mark the 150th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? So the answer is United Kingdom government. And the second question which I have asked was, which company became the world's most valuable company with its market value overtaking Saudi Aramco? And the answer is Apple has got the most valuable company in the world. Now let me tell you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, which foundation has got Food Vision 2050 award? And the second question is, where is Nayamakkad Tea Estate is located? So guys, these are the two questions, and if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video I'm going to tell the answers of these two questions, but it's a request to try these two questions if you know. So till then, Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon. Thank you.